And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see that there are clear pattern formings. Okay, see, this is a range where the price of gold is moving. Okay, and you can say this is from 12th of September. We have seen it is moving in this range, creating a W pattern. But if we go beyond 12 September in the morning, you can see that a clear pattern forming on U pattern, opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, and you can see that the high of that range is around $19.15. Okay, and the low of around 1907 range. So you have to understand, looking at this chart, that if the price comes close to a level of 1915, a further upside movement we can see, or if it moves below a level of 1907, a further fall we can see. Okay, now if we go on a day wise chart, you will see clearly that how the price of gold is moving. See, gold has given good volatility, but after making a particular high of around $2080, we have seen there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this continuous fall we have seen, and there is higher chances for a longer view that it can go further downfall, because if you see an overall trend, it is creating a narrow pattern. How this narrow pattern is saying, and see, if it moves below this particular zone, and as soon as it started falling below a level of around 1900, a further fall we can see, and then a further downfall. This is after 2023 I'm talking about. But if you go beyond 2023, you will see that there is a pattern forming, and after that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this pattern is from 2022. Okay, and if you go beyond that level, you will see from 2020 to 2022, this particular pattern is also the same pattern, and this is an 8-month pattern. This is a 2-year pattern and 8-month pattern. Why I'm explaining you this? Because you should understand how the gold price is moving so far. Okay, so if the price started sustaining above $1952, then a further upside movement we can see towards higher, then we can say that there will be a bullish trend. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of around 1900 or $1898, you will see that there will be a continuous downtrend we can see, because there is a clear narrow pattern is forming in the price of gold now. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go further down, and a probability of going towards 1907.93 is there, and this level is already being tested here, so chances are high it can go further fall. Okay, and then if the price fall below this level, we will see it will go towards a level of $1902.74. Okay, now once the price started falling below that level, we will see that it will go beyond a level of 1900, and it will touch a level of around $1896. Okay, so once it started falling below 1896, then chances are very high that it will go further down, and a probability of going below a level of 1884 is there. This 1884 is this level is already being tested here, so chances are very high it can go further down. Again I repeat that if the price move below this level, it will go further down towards a level of $1908. Okay, and this 1908 is already being weak support, so chances are high it will touch a level of 1903. If the price started falling below this level, it will go below a level of 1900, and chances of touching a level of 1895 is there, and from there it will go towards a level of around $1885. Keep that in mind, because there will be a clear pattern forming, and chances are very high that if the price started falling below a level of 1900, a further fall we can see, and as soon as started falling below 1900, you will see that there will be a sharp fall, and it can go towards a level of 1873. Okay, because we have not seen that level since Feb month. Okay, so it will be a 6-7 months low, so probability of going further low we can see in the price of gold. Okay, now as I have already explained you that you should not be relying that the market will go up or down. Always try to check the trend. Okay, if you are checking the trend, what will happen? See, always, because you have to understand, suppose if you are checking the overall trend, if you are going for a longer view, you can see that the overall trend is downside. But if you go on a short term trend, that means if you are trading for a shorter view, then you should always think that where the trend is. Okay, suppose if we see on a day wise chart, there is a continuous downtrend. Okay, but if you go on a 15-minute chart, you will see there is an uptrend is forming. Okay, so always remember to set your SL. If you are keeping your SL, you will save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. That is the second important thing that you have to understand. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it will go towards a level of around $1914.44. Okay, because we can see that after this resistance, the next resistance coming at a level of $1913.34. After that, we can see a level of $1914.44. Once the price started sustaining of $1914.44, then we can see it can go further upside, and the next resistance we can see coming at a level of $1917.74. Okay, so once the price started sustaining of $1917.74, we can see it will go further high, and then you will see that it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of $1922 is there. Okay, and if the price started sustaining of $1922, then we will see it will cross a level of around $1929, and from there we can see it will cross a level of $1930 also. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that if the price started sustaining above a level of 1919, a further upside movement we can see, and it will go towards 1925 after crossing a level of 1922. If the price started sustaining above this level, it will cross a level of $1930, and then it will touch a level of around $1938. That level is also being tested here, so chances are high it will go towards 1946. Okay, and then a further upside we can see towards a level of 1948 to a level of 1949, and then from there we can see a level of $1953, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of gold. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.